everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie and today I'm gonna do my first Halloween look of the year. So as you see by the title, I'm gonna do like a autumn elf type of look. I'm just gonna kind of build off what I already have on. I don't have that dark of makeup on. I do have pink on the eyes, but I'm gonna use orange, so I think that that'll cover that up. So I think that we can do this. The parts that are really kind of boring and slow, I'll just speed up. But I think the palettes I'm going to use for these looks, I'm going to use the Wired by Urban Decay. I don't think I've ever really even used this palette. It's just colorful. It looks like that. And I'm going to use these two. So I'm going to do like an autumn theme. So I'm going to have like autumn things going on. I don't remember what I'm using in here. Is this the one I was going to use? No, never mind. I'm not using this one. I'm using the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills collab one, and this one right here is perfect for like the whole like thing. And so without further ado, let's just get into this, because why even sit here and talk? Why do that? Okay. Oh, by the way, this here sweater, this is my Cracker Barrel sweater. I bought it at Cracker Barrel, so yeah. I just wanted to buy something at Cracker Barrel and say that I bought it at Cracker Barrel clothing. So anyways, let's get into this look. So like I said, I'm going to go in with the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to go into edges. I'm going to start with the brush that it came with. Hopefully, I feel like it's too dark for me to see, but I feel like it's good for you guys. I'm going to go right in here and start putting that color on. I'm going to fast forward a little. Okay, I know what you're saying, that looks crazy, and it does. But like I said before, things get better, or it gets worse. Things get better. Things get worse before they get better. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say here. I'm also gonna go back into that and put some on the outer and just kind of wing it out from here, kind of make it. And this is just me going by the seat of my pants and not knowing what I'm doing. I'm just kind of making something up as I go. gonna take the brush I used earlier for my foundation, kind of blend that. I think I got some right here. Oh well, I'm gonna put some on as blush anyways. Let me see, which one do I want for blush? I'm probably gonna go in with both, because I'm that kind of person. So I'm just gonna go both of those. I'm gonna go with Shade and Light, and I'm gonna take these white powders and I'm gonna cut that, make it look more cut, you know what I'm saying? Okay, and let's see here. Let me go back into that Wired palette. I'm gonna take, I can open it. I'm gonna take this one, it's called Switch, and I'm gonna kind of just put it right here to brighten it up right there underneath the brow, hopefully. Okay, now I'm gonna go into my liners drawer and I'm gonna find something. I think I'm just gonna go with red because red is in fall too, right? Red colors. So I'm gonna do a liner. So I will fast forward this or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna put some black eyeliner on too, just to make it pop more, if I can find it. I think it's gotta dry a little bit more. So what I'll do is I'll go into the Star-Crossed colors and I'll take out, it's not pink. What color is this? Let me see, I feel like this is a pink, but is it a pink? Yeah, that's pink. I'm gonna get like a burgundy and we'll use that in the waterline. along, y'all. It's coming along. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little brush, kind of like this brush here, and I'm going to kind of just go over the edges. I'm gonna put you on fast forward because I'm gonna put this black liner on. Okay, so that just makes your eyes look big, which is a good thing. And I think I'm gonna take out my Epic Wear by NYX, and I'm gonna put some little dots around. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry a little bit and then probably, probably kind of fade it through. I'm gonna also take my freckle pen. I'll put you on fast forward again because boring. Okay, so we're getting there. We are getting there. I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm gonna kind of blend out the bottom because it looks a little insane in the membrane. My phone's dying, but we'll make do. We'll get it done. I feel like I'm getting close to being done. I need to do my lips. So far, that's what it looks like. Looking cute. But we're gonna do lips. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna take Shoop, my fave, and I'll do my lips. I'll fast forward this too. I got some lipstick right here. I'm just gonna take some powder and put it over it. Hopefully it'll cover it up. So yeah, so far so good. I think I'm just gonna leave my brows and just go over them again. I use the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. Like, all this stuff I'm using is pretty cheap. I gotta put my lipstick on still though. This is Ladybug by MAC. Just got it in my BoxyCharm for September. So this is the first time I'm trying. This is really one of the first times I've tried MAC, so you're seeing it here. I need to clean up my lip line because it looks like absolute shit. So I'm going to take that brush again. I'm going to get some of my concealer. Just put it on my hand here. I got to clean that up. That looks bad. Okay, and I'll give it a little set with the Pretty Fresh by ColourPop. That's also what I have on for my foundation. So I'm gonna go off camera real quick and I'll put on the rest of my outfit. So I'll be right back. So this is the final look. Look at my little ears. So yeah, this is my autumn elf look. Hopefully y'all like this video. I just got this at the Dollar Tree, and it was like a kind of like a swag, and I just made it a head dress. But I think this is really cute. This is something really easy that you could do. I'm trying to put up like one Halloween video a week, so we'll see if that happens, but I'm digging this. Anyway, so if you like this look, make sure you comment down below and like. Make sure you follow all of my social media, and thank you for stopping by for my first Halloween look of the year, I think. But anyways, thanks for stopping. Have a good day. Bye.